This training will cover the video upload process as well as video upload troubleshooting. This is designed to give you a insight into where users are coming from, both from the experience they have uploading a video as well as possible problems they might encounter and ways that you can troubleshoot that. Most participants will be in one of our virtual coaching courses when they're attempting to upload a video. There are two ways to upload videos. One is through the computer and one is through a mobile device. The first example here will be through a computer. I'm in a virtual coaching course. Participants will click on coaching and then usually the site that they are enrolled at. Our video assignments are set up through journal entries. Therefore, you will see directions for that in the documents that you've been given. Participants are instructed to create a journal entry, title it, and then the way that they are supposed to upload their video through a computer and through Blackboard is to use the Mashups tool and to go to Kaltura Media. Once in Kaltura Media, if they have not yet uploaded their video, they will go to Add Media, Upload Media or Record from Webcam. They'll then browse their computer to find the video that they want to upload and select that file. They'll click Upload. They need to make sure that their file is no larger than 2 gigabytes. If it's any larger than 2 gigabytes, the file will not upload properly, whether on the computer or from a mobile device. After the video has finished uploading, the participant will click Next. On this screen, they're going to want to give it a title. They don't need to tag it. They don't necessarily need to provide a description, but they can if they want to. Click Next. The video will process. Then on the Create Mashup Items screen, they're going to want to make sure that they click Yes for both Show Media Information and Show Media Description and Tags, and then they click Submit. Once their video is uploaded properly and they've submitted it into the journal entry, they will see it populate in the text editing box here. If they want to attach a file, they can go ahead and do that through the Browse My Computer or Browse Content Collection, and then they will post their entry. Those are the standard steps for uploading a video using the computer to upload a video through the Kaltura Mashup tool for Online Academy. Your team has been provided a set of these instructions. They are titled Virtual Academy Computer Video Uploading Process _updated. You'll see in here, as you scroll down, all of the steps that I just walked you through very quickly. So you can refer to that document for guiding a participant through those steps if they're having trouble uploading. Also included in this document are instructions for how to compress a video. As I mentioned, the video file size maximum is 2 gigabytes. If it's anything 2 gigabytes or larger, Kaltura Media will not accept the upload, and the upload will continue to fail over and over again. Therefore, we instruct fellows to check the file size before they upload their document or their video. However, not all fellows do that. When you are troubleshooting with a fellow, that is something that you will want to start with, is to ask them to see the file size of their video before they attempt to upload or you attempt to walk them through any other troubleshooting steps. Therefore, at the beginning of this document, we make the following recommendation to our participants: to limit the length of your video to 25 minutes or less to avoid problems when uploading your video. As I said, make sure that you ask a participant to check the file size of their video at the beginning of the troubleshooting process. You'll know automatically if it's more than 2 gigabytes that it's not going to work and they'll need to compress the file. In the appendix of this same document, there are instructions for how to compress a video for PC users as well as for Mac users. Therefore, if the file is 2 gigabytes or larger, you will want to skip to the appendix and walk a participant through those steps. Once they've compressed the file following those steps, they will return back to step 3 of this document and follow steps 3 through 12 to upload the video to the course. You've also been provided a document that's called Virtual Academy Mobile Video Uploading Process _updated. This walks a participant through the steps for uploading a video from their mobile device. Again, we make the recommendation that a video be filmed in standard definition rather than high definition, and that the video be limited to 25 minutes or less. This will help avoid the file size problem I mentioned earlier. If a fellow has recorded a video that's longer than 25 minutes, then we've provided two sets of instructions in this document for how to make that video shorter. The first set is for an iPhone or an iPad, and we walk them through the steps here of how to trim that video to make it 24 minutes or less. So a participant who has this problem that's uploading from a mobile device, you should walk them through this step to trim the video if their video is longer than 24 minutes. We also have a set of instructions in the same document for Android phones. For Android phones or devices, they will also need to trim their video if it's any longer than 25 minutes. When a participant contacts you for support in mobile uploading, this is a good place to start with them. Ask them how long the video is, and if it's longer than 25 minutes, walk them through the steps in this document. The participants also all have access to these documents. However, it may be helpful for you to provide them with a copy of them as well as you're walking them through those steps. The mobile uploading process is slightly different. Instead of navigating directly to the Blackboard Learn course, a participant will first access the following website, media.tntp.org. This is our MediaSpace mobile site. On this site, they will click in the upper right-hand corner to log into that site. They should only access media.tntp.org if they're uploading from a mobile device. Once they get to that URL, they will click on the icon in the upper right-hand corner to log in. They will use their same login credentials that they use for Blackboard Learn to log in to media.tntp.org. Once they're logged into media.tntp.org through their mobile device, they will click on the Media Upload button in the upper right-hand corner. On their device, it will ask them to choose a file to upload. They will select that file from their mobile device, as you can see here in this middle image. They will then select which area they want to select the video from that device. This screen will look different based on the device and the applications that are installed. Once they select their video, they'll fill out these details in the box, which is to name the file. We want them to save that information and then start the upload. While the file is uploading, we do not want them to navigate away from this window. They should stay on this window on their mobile device as the file is uploading. Once the upload and information is complete, the participant will click Save in that window. It may take a few minutes for the video to process after that before the upload is complete. Once the video is complete, they will see an Upload Completed area, and they can then navigate to the Blackboard Learn course by going to academy.tntp.org and logging in. They will then complete the upload process in the same way as detailed previously for the computer uploading instructions by navigating into the course, clicking on the Coaching tab, then choosing the video assignment that the site that they're at, the video assignment that they're going to complete, and creating a new journal entry. Remember, we always want to make sure that we're reminding them after they've uploaded their video through the mobile device that they want to choose Kaltura Media. When they choose Kaltura Media at this point, instead of adding media in the right-hand corner, their media will show up already uploaded on their screen here. All they have to do from here is select the video that they want to upload, make sure that yes is checked for both of these boxes, submit that video. It will populate into the text editor box. They need to make sure to give it a title, and then they post their entry. When troubleshooting with participants, the most common areas that we've seen trouble for video uploads is the file being too large, again over that 2 GB limit, and or participants not following the correct set of instructions. Therefore, when you begin troubleshooting with a participant, it's always a good idea to ask them how big the file is, if they can check if it's on their computer, or how long it is if it's on a mobile device. This is a great place to start so you know whether or not they need to compress that video on their computer or trim that video on their mobile device. Once you walk them through the trimming or the compression process, most of the video upload problems have been solved. You will want to continue to walk that participant through the upload process of navigating into the course and either adding the media through the computer version of the mobile instructions or uploading their media through mediatntp.org if they are following the mobile uploading instructions. And then for the mobile uploading instructions, again, after adding it to media.tntp.org, entering the coaching course and making sure to create that journal entry and then using the Kaltura mashup tool to select their media. Another area we've seen some participants have confusion is when they're using their computer, they're going to media.tntp.org to upload the video. Participants only go to media.tntp.org to upload a video if they're using a mobile device. If they're not using a mobile device, they should not be using media.tntp.org. Therefore, some of the most helpful first questions you can ask a participant are, what type of device did you film the video on? What type of device are you trying to upload the video from? From a computer, from an iPad, from any other type of mobile device, an iPhone or an Android phone or a tablet. It's also good to ask them what website are they trying to upload the video through so you can gauge whether or not they're using media.tntp.org if they are on a mobile device, or if they're trying to upload directly into the coaching course on a computer. You'll also want to ask them which uploading directions are you following from the course. Again, some people on a computer may be following the mobile instructions by accident, or some people on a mobile device may be following the computer instructions by accident. Another good question to ask is, which internet browser are you using to upload the file? One of the notes in the documents you've been provided is that Internet Explorer, if it is version 9 or lower, will also cause a file upload error. So if a participant says they're using Internet Explorer, you're going to want to make sure that they, or help them confirm that they're using version 10 or higher to avoid problems. Alternatively, you may just recommend that they use Chrome, Firefox, or Safari as their browser. Another question that you want to ask initially is how big is the video file they're trying to upload? If they can look on the computer in the directions here, you have a way to help them look on their computer to see the size of the file. And if it's on a mobile device, again, we try to go by the time recommendation of being less than 25 minutes. Based on the answers to those questions, you can usually determine what the next steps are going to be for that user, whether they need to trim on a mobile device, compress on a computer, or try to follow the uploading instructions again with the help of someone from your team. Those are the main steps for uploading videos to our virtual coaching courses, as well as some troubleshooting tips. Please be sure to reference the documents you've been given. The most helpful documents will be your video uploading process document from a computer, as well as the mobile uploading process. Thank you very much.